Hi, this is Yen-Chia from the CMU Create Lab. I'm a software developer and researcher in the lab. Today, I'm going to present a smoke labeling tool. The goal of this project is that we want to train a computer system to automatically detect smoke emissions from videos. The motivation for this project comes from our previous air quality monitoring work. Let me show you that right now. On the November 2015 community meeting with the EPA regulators, local health department regulators, and also the local Pittsburgh communities, we projected these smoke videos on a large screen in front of the regulators. When the EPA regulator saw these smoke videos, the regulator pointed to the screen and said that this is totally unacceptable. In this case, all these smoke videos become powerful visual evidence that shows the effect of local air pollution. These smoke videos were found by using our previously developed smoke detection algorithm. The problem now is that the smoke detection algorithm for our previous project only works on a single camera and a single view. For our Mon Valley monitoring camera network, we want to detect smoke from multiple views with multiple cameras. For example, this image shows the panorama of one of the facilities that we monitor, and we want to find smoke from different regions in the camera view. This means we need a more robust algorithm. To do this, we need to provide the computer with a lot of labeled data. By a lot, I mean in the scale of 100,000 videos with high-quality labels. To label all these videos, it will take hundreds to thousands of hours of human effort. This is why we need a lot of volunteers. These labels can tell us different information about the videos. For now, in the current task, we ask users to tell us whether the video has smoke or not. In the future, we plan to add more tasks, such as telling us the location of smoke in the video and the opacity of the smoke. The first row here shows high opacity smoke, and the second row shows low opacity smoke. For low opacity smoke, its background can still be visible. We want to identify both the high opacity and the low opacity smoke. When comparing to steam, smoke tends to disappear slower. Smoke also has unclear edges. If we look at steam, the edges of steam tend to be sharp, and the steam tend to disappear faster when compared to smoke. Also, the opacity of steam tends to be very high. This means that steam can block its background and make its background not visible. There are also cases that smoke and steam can appear together. We also want to select these cases. The last row showed bad weather conditions, and we want to ignore these cases. So let's right now start labeling. You can sign in by clicking on the Account tab, and then clicking on this Sign In button to track your personal achievement. I'm now going to sign in with one of my Google accounts. When you sign in, your current score will be displayed at the end of this paragraph. Let's now label a batch of videos. This video does not have smoke. This video has steam, but does not have smoke. This video does not have smoke. This video also does not have smoke. This video has some low opacity smoke, and this one has medium opacity smoke. This one has no smoke. This one also has no smoke. This one has a little bit low opacity smoke. This one has smoke coming off from the stack. This one has no smoke, and this one has smoke. This one has no smoke. This one has smoke. This one has smoke. And this one has smoke. So after completion, we can just click the Submit and Continue button to go to the next page. So one thing important to notice If we are not sure whether an image has smoke or not, then just ignore that one. So let's right now just click submit and continue. Now, my score is increased from 36 to 48, which means that I have successfully labeled the last batch of videos. The score is computed based on some videos that we already know the answer. In each batch of videos, we randomly place videos that we know the answer. If the user labels these videos with answers correctly, the system will increase the user's score. When you scroll down, you can see the My Collection button here. So let's right now click this button to go to a page that shows the smoke videos that you have found so far. You can also click this next button to go to the next page. You can click this Maybe Have Smoke button to see the videos that are labeled by only one user. To see smoke videos that are confirmed by multiple users, click on the Have Smoke button. Now this set is empty. This is because we currently do not have enough volunteers. We would be very grateful if you could help us label these videos and also spread the information of the smoke labeling tool to a broader audience. We need a lot of volunteers to label these videos so that we can train the computer to detect smoke automatically. This is the end of the introduction of the smoke labeling tool. Thank you very much for your support.